Welcome to the New Mexico Operating Permit System, also known as NMOPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through setting axle weights and groups in NMOPS at mtdpermits.dps.state.nm.us. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Tutorial Videos and Guides link. NMOPS users must enter axle weights and spacing when specific configurations for vehicle type, axle count, and loaded weight are exceeded. Please note that axle weights and spacing represent how the vehicle is configured, and misrepresentation of vehicle axle configuration is an enforcement action. After entering the required information on the truck and load information screen, click the Enter Weights button when it appears. The Set Axle Weight screen will be displayed. Enter the total number of axles for the vehicle in the Number of Axles field. Enter the spacing for each axle in feet and inches in the spacing column for the respective axle number. Please note that axle spacing is based on the measurement from the center of the axles. In the weight column, enter the weight in pounds for each axle in the corresponding axle number column. In the number tires column, choose the number of tires for each axle from the drop-down list. Once all information is entered and checked for accuracy, you can view the configuration based on the information entered by clicking the Display Configuration button. The axle configuration may be viewed by either side or top view. Select the Side Radio button and click the Display Configuration button to view the configuration from a side view. Select the Top Radio button and click the Display Configuration button to view the configuration from a bird's eye view. Clicking the Cancel button will clear and reset all axle information entered. After all information is entered and accurate, click the Validate, Weights, and Close button. This will bring you back to the order permits process to continue the application. This concludes the NMOPS user tutorial video on how to set axle weights and groups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.